Are you a study abroad aspirant ready to unlock your full potential and take your learning to the next level? Introducing our e-learning platform where education meets innovation. Imagine having the flexibility to study anytime, anywhere, from the comfort of your own home or a cafe or even while traveling. Feeling stressed about upcoming exams? Wish you could practice in real test environment? Welcome to our simulated test environment, which offers you the ultimate preparation experience, designed to mimic the actual test conditions and helps you perform your best. Say hello to the future of IELTS prep. Our computer-based IELTS test platform offers a convenient, efficient and modern way to prepare for your test. Experience a user-friendly interface designed to make your test preparation smooth and stress-free. Navigate easily through practice tests, resource and feedback. Enjoy clear audio quality in our listening test with state-of-the-art technology. Focus on every word without any distraction. Stay on top of your word count and highlight any key information in the reading section. Our platform's interactive features helps you manage your time efficiently and make you quick. No more worrying about handwriting legibility or word count. Our computer-based format allows you to type your responses quickly and clearly, making it easier for you to edit and revise. Don't hesitate to speak up. On the portal, get the questions asked by our experts video recording, listen carefully and then speak in the microphone. Get the simulated feeling of actually giving the test from your comfort place. Get instant and detailed feedback of your performance. Our in-depth report highlights your strengths, pinpoints areas for improvements, and provides an actionable insight. Not only this, you can review your answers, learn from your mistakes with comprehensive explanations for each question. With our live lessons, you can join lessons right from the comfort of your own home or any place you choose. Connect with expert instructors and classmates from around the globe. Share ideas, ask questions, and collaborate in a dynamic virtual environment. Missed a class? No problem. Access our recorded sessions anytime to review and reinforce your learning. Study at your own pace and never miss a moment of action. What more? Track your progress with our intuitive dashboard. Set your learning goals, monitor your achievements, and stay motivated with personalized feedback. Stay informed, stay connected, and never miss a beat with our notice board, your ultimate guide for campus updates and announcements. Dive into a world of knowledge with our extensive library of high-quality educational videos. Learn anywhere, anytime at your pace. Like IELTS, we have customized portals for each such exam, like PTE, GRE, SAT, and Duolingo. Along with that, be ready to open doors to new experiences, cultures, and opportunities. Discover the joy of learning French and German with us. We also have spoken English courses for levels A1, A2, and B1, B2. Our platform is designed for everyone, whether you are a high school student, a college learner, or a professional looking to upskill. No matter where you are on your educational journey, we have the right course for you. To register for our e-learning platform today and start your journey towards a brighter future, sign up now and take the first step towards achieving your dream, because your education should be as limitless as your potential.